If my child cries during drop off, then he or she is not ready for school. Let's bust this myth. Your child will cry in many different situations. I'm not saying make your child cry, but it's okay. You go to a party and your child starts crying. But then watch. Is your child able to take that soothing from you? Is your child able to calm down after your intervention? Then your child has secure attachment. But if your child continues to cry and is unable to be soothed with anyone, with anything, then that's anxious attachment. So it's not about being ready for school or not ready for school. It's all about, does the school understand about attachment? And how is the school going to help you and your child go through that phase of attachment?